Among the worst things many lawyers learn while still interns is that all that matters is winning or achieving certain objectives within a very limited time period. It sets them up for both massive stress and for overriding their clients' wishes if they cannot escape this dangerous sort of thinking. An intern is told to write 3 summonses in a single day. They obey, but the summonses are substandard, and every day they do remain substandard, because they have been taught to work for an object instead of to work as best they can. Give an intern instead 1 summons to write over 3 days, and the next he will write in 2, and the next in a few hours, and he soon surpasses the intern who consistently writes 3 in a day, not the least in an ability to write without serious error. Speed is something which should not be there out of the hat. It should come with experience and rightly earned confidence. I don't tell myself, I will get this, and this done today. If I do, I know I am in danger of doing shoddy work in all. Instead, I tell myself I'm setting aside this much time today for this much time for this other thing, and this much time for that. The result is that I do better work and achieve my goal. As a sole practitioner, I also find that I am far better motivated to get my work done timelessly by setting aside time for it than by setting specific goals. Goals can be useful and deadlines do need to be met. But if the focus is on the goal, work quality is likely to suffer. What governs an attorney, whether in the office or at court, should be procedural, not substantive. At court, I will do all I am able to do to protect my client's rights, both in offense and defense. But should I instead decide that I shall win, I add enough stress to my job to hinder myself somewhat, which is why I don't focus on that. Such an approach of win at all costs also makes us fearful of attempting some matter well within our wheelhouse, but which may be difficult, or which may see us lose. Good sportsmanship, we are told, is always giving your all on the field, while respecting the rules and your opponents. Be down a few points, and if your only goal is to win, then you have lost the morale for it. But if your goal is to simply always give your best, you might well come back from your early losses and still have a victory. A lawyer wanting to win may make all the strategic decisions for their clients and be surprised when sued for negligence by a disappointed patron. A lawyer whose concern is procedural, not substance, i.e., one which focuses on doing their job the best they are able, rather than on winning, however, has the added advantage of being a creature of instruction. The decision to take a risk for a client can send a man to the madhouse from stress. However, informing your client of all the risks of various decisions, but letting them decide not only lengthens a lawyer's life due to a reduction in stress, but it also gives their client ownership of the decision. Having a win-lose mindset instantly puts the lawyer's ego into a matter. With each case, he feels he is fighting for his own life and reputation, but his client might not have told him something. Having instead a procedural mindset of whatever I am to do today, I will give it my best shot, regardless of whether I succeed or not, however, makes a legal career bearable and puts the client back in the driver's seat. The lawyer is operating without ego because his pride is not tied into victory, but into giving the best possible service to his client in the circumstances. Nothing in this constitutes legal advice.